Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I want to show you another shelf in my Alice room, and it's probably just going to be one shelf because it is again a giant mess in my room. I have been reorganizing the shelves, and because I can only do about 10 minutes a day, it takes a long time. I'm still not finished, but some of the shelves I had really neatly organized and I thought, yes, I'm very happy with this. And then the painters came. Well, the painter, he painted the house, the outside of the house, but he had to open the window over here, and I had to take out a lot of my stuff so he wouldn't break it or it wouldn't get dusty or whatever. Anyways, I had to take a lot out again. Let me just show you. This is now my Alice room. This rose bush is normally in the middle of my room, so over here. But yeah. So I still need to organize some of the stuff that's here. I still need to find a spot for, but I have figurines everywhere because this is over here. I can't reach these shelves, and I showed you last week all of these Alice on mushrooms. So I've got one over here, I've got one back on the shelf. I can't reach that, so I can't put that one back in its spot, and oh well. But over here, this looks nice. Those two need to, this one I need to give a spot over here. But I can't really reach it that well because there's all of this stuff in front of it. Anyway, and that one needs to go up on top of the shelves, so I can't reach that. So there's still a lot to do. But I was doing pretty well. And then, well, that happened. I have this Mad Hatter display that Tim made for me, and I have almost all my Mad Hatters on it, but it was on the shelf and it was just sticking out a little bit, and I was afraid that if the painter opened the window and, well, it would fall off. So I have this on the ground now, and now I have Mad Hatters all over my room. I have some Mad Hatters over here and I have some, oh, here are a few, and well, I just have to put everything back. And these dolls were so nicely arranged. I had them sitting so wonderfully, but I have to do that all again. So today I want to show you this shelf. Normally it is way too dark to film in my Alice room because I have curtains that don't let sunlight through, and then I can put on the lights, but then you have lots of shadow like this. It's still very dark even though I can see it very well. But anyway, so I thought let's take this opportunity and just film a little bit. So these are my Alice Drink Me bottles. And if you watch my videos more often, you know I love the Alice Drink Me bottles. And I always like to see if they have Drink Me on it, or like this one, it says Drink Me. And this one says Alice. Okay, that one says Drink Me. But there are also a lot that don't have a label at all, like this one. But maybe this one isn't supposed to have a label. Or it doesn't say Drink Me on it. Where are they? Because they all say Drink Me now. Oh, well, this one has nothing on it. So I always like looking at the Drink Me bottles and see if it says Drink Me. Anyway, this one says Oh My Oh, I'll take it out, it's too dark. This one says Oh My Cafe, because it was bought in Tokyo in a pop-up cafe. By I think the name is changed. I always say MI_Disney 11, but I think it's different. I'll leave it down below in the description box. I order a lot from Japan because this is from Japan, and this is from Japan, and this is from Japan, and I order it from them, and it arrives always in one piece, and it's always very good. So they went to a pop-up cafe in Tokyo, and there were a lot of awesome items, and one of them was this Drink Me bottle. So I ordered it. So it's Alice in Wonderland with strange animals. It's supposed to be on another different shelf where I have all my Alice in Wonderland with strange animals. Can I show you? It's a bit dark, but it's this one. This corner. But because this is a Drink Me bottle, I like it over here. It's really an awesome bottle, and it okay. It just barely fits. So look at it, how nice this looks. I have this cutie. It's an ornament that I bought. It's Alice in the bottle. And I've shown you all of these before because I show you whenever I get something new. But I thought it would be nice to show you on the shelf. So this one belongs to a set from Pop Mart. Is this Pop Mart or something else? I'm not pretty sure with this one. Oh wait, I have them over here. No, these are not from Pop Mart, but it is a series. Look how cute. And I have all of them over here. Still need to make sure they can sit, because this one doesn't want to sit and this one doesn't want to stand up. So I have to do this shelf. It is from this set, Maggie. So I have them all over here, except for the Drink Me bottle. I thought it would be nice to have them all together. So this is a cute little one figurine. First I thought it was maybe a Mad Hatter or something, but it has this Drink Me bottle as a body, and it has fluid in it. And I love this splashing thing it's standing on. So another Drink Me bottle, and then I had this little keychain that I bought somewhere. I really don't remember where I buy everything, but I love to look them together. I just love this. Oh, don't drop it. These two, look at them. It's so awesome. I love it so much. And then this one, I wanted to put flowers in it or something. It is a little vase. It is glass, so I need to be careful with it. But look at Alice sitting there. Looking up at whatever is in this Drink Me bottle. And this is again from Tokyo Disneyland. And I absolutely love it. But I love it best when it says Drink Me, because that's what it's supposed to say, the tag. But I also like it when they do something else. This one says Alice and that one said Oh My Cafe. So that's really fun. And then this one is also from Disneyland Resort in Tokyo, and I absolutely love it. I mean, look at it. It's so gorgeous. It has a light in it, but you won't see it now. So, but these are the ones where Alice is in the bottle, and I just think so. Maybe. Wait a minute. Where do I put this? This is what I do a lot. Maybe this is nicer, better, because, you know, 3 bottles, Alice in a bottle. I like that. But do I like this? I'm not sure. Let's turn it around. Ooh, I like this. Okay. Okay, so this looks nice, does it? Yes, it does. So, like I said, that's what I do a lot. I just rearrange my shelves and think, maybe this is better. And maybe in a few days I think, no, I like it better the other way around. So, oh well. So then you have this one. And this is a Drink Me bottle from Primark. I hope you can see it all, because it is a bit dark. I hope I can make this video a bit lighter when I edit it, but we'll find out. This says Drink Me, and it is a little purse, a coin purse, and it's not very handy to use. None of these are, but they are just so cute to look at. I don't think anyone really uses these. I mean, it wouldn't be very handy in your purse, but it's just so cute. So yeah, it's with the Drink Me bottles. And then you have this one. Can I take it out? It is from Tsum Tsum, and it is a cute little Tsum Tsum Alice on a bottle that has a tag that doesn't... Yes, it says Drink Me. Oh, it says Drink Me. And over there I have some pins. This is gonna fall. Can I show you? 2 pins that I bought in Oxford at Alice's shop. And I just thought these were very funny pins, because you never see a pin of Alice with growing with her head, her neck growing. So, and then of course the Drink Me bottle. So I thought that would be fun to just, you know, put over here. And let's put this back if I can. Sorry for my hand, but the cat just thought let's just show my affection and no, yeah. This is also very nice to do. Yeah. So yeah, the cat got me. So then you have this cutie. This is from Q Basket, and it has a very tiny label on the bottle, and it doesn't say anything. But I just thought it would be fun to put it over here with all the Drink Me bottles. I'm not really sure about this. And there's another Q Basket one with a label that says nothing, but also so cute. I just think this is such a cutie. I do have another one that is a bit more pastel, but I thought it would look better on my manga shelf, manga-ish figurines. So I leave it over here. But this one is over here, and it's very cute. And then you have this one. This set I took apart. It is a set from a book, and the book is over here. That's the packaging. It's a book. And in it, this is from Pop Mart, is it? Momichi. Ah, boy, what is it with Pop Mart? Momichi. It's a Momichi doll. You can put a little note in here. And it is Alice with the Drink Me bottle. So I thought, let's put it with Alice with the Drink Me bottles. And I also have a Mad Hatter over here. Where is it? Because... oh. Here's the Mad Hatter. I put it with all the Mad Hatters. Here's the chair I have it on. I'm gonna put that back on Tim's display. So that's the Mad Hatter. And then there's a Queen. Here's the Queen. So those three were in this awesome packaging that looks like a book. I, have one on the Mad Hatter shelf, one on the Red Queen shelf, and one on the Drink Me bottle shelf. Isn't this awesome? I think I like this one better the other way around. I'm gonna put them back. Yeah, that's me. Once I put it somewhere in a certain way, it actually has to stay like that. Oh well. And then I have this little coaster and it says Trink mich, which is drink me in German. I bought it in Germany. So this is my Drink Me bottle shelf. And then I have this bit. I love this so much. This is so cute. I love having, little bits on my shelf. Like this is my Drink Me bottle shelf. And then you have this little bit which is pastel and so beautiful. And I like it when I have little pockets of something with a theme. The rest of the shelves are just a bit of everything, but sometimes I just like to do like this. And over here I have like all my teapots, but this is so gorgeous. I have this book, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, the Pop Wonderland series, and it is by, can I see it? Michio Hayano, I think. And it has all these beautiful drawings in it, beautiful illustrations. And like that one that you can see on the book is the same as this one. Actually, I should put her like this, because then she's the same as the book. But I just like her sitting like this. These are my, I say it with everything, but I think these are one of my absolute favorites. There are so many items that I forget I have this. I mean, I'm the type of person out of sight, out of mind. So that's not always nice, but with my collection, I'm very surprised and happy when I see something. I think, oh right, I had all my Alice bottles together. That's awesome. And then I see this and right, I had all these beautiful pastel, beautiful figurines that I've shown you in a video once before. But oh, look at it. It's so gorgeous. So I can sit here. Let me sit down. And now I can look at this, which I don't want to do, but I can also just sit here and look at this shelf and just enjoy it. So that's what I do a lot of the time. I just sit here and enjoy the shelves that I think, this one is nice, I like it. I can add more bottles or maybe more of those figurines if there are new ones. But I like this. This is gonna stay the way it is. And then I have to put back all the rest, all the stuff that I took out, and the items I still need a spot for. And also, like this shelf, I was relatively happy with it. And then I had to put that figurine in there because I wanted it over there, but I couldn't reach it. And well, you know how that goes. Before you know it, it's a mess everywhere. So I still have a lot to do. So what I'm gonna do right now is put all those pillows back, because I can still do that right now, and then that's it for today because I've been filming. And then I'm gonna show you how awesome it looks when it's back where it belongs. So this is kind of boring. So let's put everything back. Now this looks way better. I put it back a bit different than I had it before, because I had my bags over here and I had those two pillows over there. But I think I like this. So I'm gonna leave this like this for now. And when I sit on here, I don't lean against the pillows, I just sit on the edge. And so I can put it like this. It looks really nice. I have a Hello Kitty with an Alice dress and a bear with a Mad Hatter outfit. I really like it. So now I can sit here, and I still have to watch out for these two. But okay. So these are gonna go on the shelf later on, but as you can see, it's still kind of a mess. Cheshire is gonna go up over there, and Alice is gonna go there. But look at this, look at this. So there's a spot for Alice, and I can reach it now, but I'm not gonna, it is kind of heavy, so I'm not gonna risk it now. Look, it's a bit more empty. So, a little bit every day, and in a while it'll be better. But it's so hot in this room right now. I'm gonna close the curtains and also the curtain that keeps the sun out, so it'll be less hot in here. Oh, but it's awesome. Okay, so today it was this shelf, and tell me, what do you think? Do you like this shelf? I know I do. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. But there's room for more bottles and stuff. And I also have all of these little things, these that display, I don't know what you call that, but so that I can put stuff a little bit higher, and it really looks awesome. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the tour in my bit of a messy Alice room, but can you imagine what it's gonna look like once it's finished? It's gonna take me probably a few months, let's be honest. But I'm gonna show you little bits. I also have my Funko Pop shelf, which really looks awesome by now. You just saw a little glimpse of it. Maybe I'll do a video about that pretty soon. Would you like me to? Let me know. Now I'm gonna sit down and edit this video for you. So I hope you liked it. If you did, I would love a thumbs up, and of course I would love it if you subscribe. I try to upload an Alice video every Saturday and a creative video every Monday. And that's it for now. So all that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland.